So in this movie, we will make this approve button to be active so that admin can approve comment. So when I hover on this approve, you can see ID is equal to 12. And if I click here, you can see we are on the page of approve comment.php and ID is equal to 12. So we will create this simple approve comment page where we will get the ID and change the status of comment to be on in our table. So here we will create one file with the name of approve comments.php and starting this file with the basic include of database function and session file. Then we will have one PHP scope in which first we will get this ID from the URL bar. So I will start this file with the if condition. So if is set, so by using super global of get, and we will get our ID. If this one is set, then you should create one variable with the name of search query parameter, and that will be equal to this super global of get. Then on the next line we will grab our database connection and we will have one SQL that will be update. So update my table of comments and set status column to on, and also you can see we have another column approved by in which we will put the admin name. So we will set this column of approved by to our admin, and we can get our admin by using this session of admin name which we are fetching out of this file of login.php right from here. So I can put that here, and then we will have one where clause. So we will say where the ID column is equal to this search query parameter, and then on the next line we will have this variable of execute that will use database connection and call the method of query passing SQL here, and we will have another if condition. So if this variable of execute is true, then you should have a success message and say comment approved successfully and redirect to comments.php page. And in case of something wrong, you will have one else block and you will say error message that something went wrong, try again. So after clicking on this button of approve, we will be on the page of approve comments.php in which first we will check whether the ID is set as a search query parameter or not. Then we will equal it with search query parameter. Then we will have this SQL update my table of comments and set the column of status is equal to on and approved by column to the name of the admin, the person who is approving that comment, and the ID will be equal to the search query parameter. On the next line we will run our query, we will execute it, and we will say comment approved successfully, or else something went wrong, try again. And all of this is wrapped up by this is set of ID if condition. So if I save this one, let me show you this comment with the ID is equal to 12. This comment by Rajnikant has the status of off. So if I click here, see I'm on the page of approve comment.php, ID is equal to 12, and this page has the name of approve comments, not comment. So I have to correct that one. So going to the page of comments.php and making it to go to the approve comments, and also let's make it delete comments. So saving this one, If I go back, refresh this page, click here, see, I'm on comments.php, and if I browse it again, now you can notice that nothing is going on here. So first of all, let's add the session message to this file. So I can copy those messages from this add new post page, and I will put those messages here before our table, before our heading of unapproved comments. So if I save this one and refresh this page, you can see something went wrong. Try again. So we have to find out the error. The problem is with our SQL because I'm mentioning two columns here. First one is status and the next one is approved by. So I have to separate both of these columns with a comma. So if I save this one and now refresh my page, click approve, see comment approved successfully. And here you can see this comment approved by Jazib Akram, status is on. And if I can show you real quick, that comment is not showing here on this unapproved comment section anymore. If I approve all of these comments, this one, this one, this one, and now if I refresh this page, you can see all of these comments are approved. And if I go to this blog page, if I refresh this page of ID 13, you can see these two comments are appearing. So ID 13 has two comments. The first one was by Joseph Butt and the second one was Spider-Man. So you can see these two comments. The reason why you are seeing these two comments here on this page of fullpost.php, because at the time we made this page of fullpost.php, we said in the comment section that only fetch those comments that has the status of on. That's why it's showing us only those comments with the status of on. For example, this comment with the ID is equal to 14, that is by Jazib Akram. If I go to this post 14, you can see it has many comments, but there is not a single comment with the Jazib. So I have to make this one to be on in order to see this comment. So you can see that this comment is appearing here. So if I click approve, you can see no comment is left unapproved here. And if I refresh this page, you can see the Jazib Akram right here.